Good morning, it's Jeffrey Cohen. How are you? We're going to talk about platykurtic stocks that are on the move in pre-market. First question is, what's a platykurtic stock? What the heck are you talking about? Platykurtic stocks, and I'm going to show you where I have information on it. Platykurtic stocks, they have a platykurtic distribution. So a standard kurtosis score less than or equal to some variance, some number, right? Like 6. Or -6, right? They have a standard kurtosis score. In fact, what we run in our model now is 0.8. So they have fewer results in the tails. Platykurtic, flat tail. It means if you draw the distribution, there's less outliers. So, what's a perfect platykurtic distribution? No tails at all. It's rolling a dice. Flipping a coin. You flip a coin, everything's heads or tails. There's no sides. I guess if something landed on its side once in a while, it would be leptokurtic, because it would be a lot of tail. And it's a fourth central movement of a distribution. And so when you see what's happening, right, you got to look. So where are my platykurtic stocks? I run a whole set of different proprietary indices. And one of them is platykurtic and low variance. This is not a perfect score, a perfect list. But just because it's a few days old, right? Probably like a week or two old. But the first thing we noticed, OceanFirst Financial Corp, OCFC, down 10% pre-market on a 10% pre-market. That can't be normal. That has to be an outlier. You know, the others are down like 2%, 0, lots of them unchanged. That's what you'd expect. Nothing in the tail, guys. Commerce Bankshares up 5%. CBSH. So we have two stocks that today are breaking their flat tail distribution. So let's take a look at them. One is OceanFirst Financial Corp. Look at it over the year. It moves. It's actually not moving that much, though. The trading range is like 1950 to 23, and it's, not much happening. So the question is, why is it going up 10% or down 10% right now? Why is it dropping back into the range? I have no idea. Maybe a cash dividend of 20 cents wasn't what was expected? Hard to know. Why is Commerce Bankshares up 5%? Let's take a look. So you can see trading range. Looks like it's between 65 and 72. And it looks like pre-market it's driving from 65, which is bottom of the trading range, back up into the trading range. So, okay. It's an $8.2 billion company with a 1.6% dividend. It is a regional bank. So we do look at banks, but we do not track these guys specifically. These are just in our platykurtic. OceanFirst is a $1.4 billion market cap, so a little smaller, with a 3.5% dividend. So again, if you're watching and you have a platykurtic stock distribution, because let's say you go to our website and you're like, hey Jeff, I don't want to pay you. That's stupid. I'm just going to go platykurtic stocks through January 20. Here's my stocks, all stocks that are platykurtic, and you'll see gold is platykurtic. That's your first indicator that this is actually a reasonably good chart. The spider, SPY, is platykurtic. Well, that makes sense. TLT, the long bond, is platykurtic. Yeah. Yum Brands, platykurtic. Got it. But see, you go through this, and you got your list, right? And you say, all right, I'm going to look at these. And if they break out, it's really a breakout. That's the ticket. Now, you buy a run from us. You get this list every day. We could even have a call. We could talk about it, maybe set up a strategy. But that's different than this. Platykurtic and low variance, we're already tracking it. It's not a new list. These may not be platykurtic and low variance right at this minute, but this one's so interesting. Price to book at 0.9, down 10%. What is going on with this stock? Right? Stock to watch, OceanFirst, the other. Commerce Bankshares. I want to thank you for watching. Quick video. You take care now. Bye.